What is up everyone, John Midas here. Welcome back to another video. Today is an interesting vlog. Bless you, Catherine. We are actually in Portugal right now. It's a mess here, it's noisy. Noah's shouting in the corridor. And yeah, we are on vacation right now, which is pretty mind-blowing because I was not expecting us to be able to go on vacation in such crazy times. Luckily, it's a neighboring country, so there were no travel restrictions. And yeah, we haven't run into any issues so far, so we're super blessed and lucky about that. You ready to go, Noah? Yeah. Yeah. This is a sick area. We're not able to use the pool because it's pretty cold, but it's right by the sea, and the cliffs here are just beautiful. And also a really sweet thing about Portugal is that the rental cars are extremely cheap. It's like 10 bucks a day or something like that. We're supposed to go to the shopping center, but Noah slept in the car. So we decided to take a road trip to Lisbon, which is like, I don't know, like 35 minutes drive from where we're staying. And we've only been here once, I think, once or twice. So this is gonna be fun. We're gonna go to a vegan restaurant, just enjoy ourselves and explore the city. So now we're exploring one of the grocery stores, health food stores here in Lisbon. And they have a bunch of organic local produce as well.
I need to explore the vegan chocolate section.
Vegan chocolates, of course. That's what we're here for.
Look at these.
What'd you put in there? Cookies? Cookies? No, we can't have cookies. No. Let's put them back. You wanna say hello?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. By the way, let me know if you have this problem that when you start talking, your mask just like automatically falls below your nose. It always happens to me. Okay guys, we made it to the restaurant, and this is the restaurant we've been recommended the most, I think, via Instagram DMs. Okay, so we just got some starters. We got some rice bread. I don't know what it is, but the consistency of this thing is just so chewy. Amazing. I don't know, it's made of rice, that's all I know.
I got penne pasta.
And I got this amazing tofu dish. How was it?
Flavors are amazing.
Alright, let's try a piece of the tofu. A little bit of this sweet potato cream. Wow.
You have to try this.
Okay. That penne pasta is probably the best pasta dish I've ever tried. Seriously.
Really good.
That's crazy.
It's like a cashew tomato sauce, and then
Yeah.
the cheese is really flavorful as well.
Thank you. Bye. Hey, how good was that pasta, huh?
Amazing.
Mind blowing.
So full and satisfied right now.
Yeah, I know we say this all the time every time we go somewhere, but seriously, this is the best pasta I've ever tried in my life in a restaurant.
If you're ever like here in Lisbon, then go to this place and get the pasta.
How do you find Portugal so far?
A little bit unlucky with the weather, like half of the time it's raining, but like the food's been great, the city is looking amazing, and yeah, I like it.
Yeah, and one of my
people are friendly as well.
people are super friendly, and for me it's extra cool because I grew up in Brazil. My mom's Brazilian, I'm half Brazilian, so I get to hear a lot of Portuguese, practice the language. It's been a lot of fun for me. Catherine decided to have some açaí, pretty much like a smoothie bowl with some toppings.
It's been a long time since we've had acai.
Yeah, very long time.
It's really nice. This is more like an acai ice cream, so
Yeah,
it's real like
thick, right?
dense, yeah. Noah's loving it.
This, I can already tell, is gonna be fantastic. So this is a very simple meal to prepare. We've been eating meals at home every day, but we have been eating out once a day just because that's what we do on vacation. We gotta enjoy ourselves, and eating at vegan restaurants is like our favorite hobby. Day is coming to an end right now. Just met up with my good friend Diego. Hey guys. It's been like, well, like 6 years since you appeared in one of the videos, I think. We are heading off to a little beach walk, right? Went to the beach.
Gonna go for a walk.
Fun fact, we're pretty much super close to the very most western point in Europe. So we're the closest we can get to America. How are you doing back there? Good? Portugal has been a really cool place to be, especially helpful since sharing a lot of the personal videos that I've been sharing lately. Being here and having access to sunshine and sand dunes, beaches, nature, and being with the family has been a really cool and helpful thing. was an amazing trail walk. Now we're gonna head down to the beach and try to go till the edge and back again with Noah. Yesterday, he actually walked one way completely by himself. I don't know how many miles it is, but it's a lot of steps. Run, 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 let's go, let's go. You see where the wave line is, and you find so much trash, so many bits and pieces of plastic, wood, even dead jellyfish, loads of trash. It's pretty crazy. Check this out. Yeah. I am starving. I prepared a quick meal right now. So here it is. It's just some tempeh with edamame beans and soy sauce. Fried it up with a little bit of olive oil. Then we have a little bit of salad and salsa. We're also at the same time scavenging on Uber Eats to see if we find any vegan options to get delivered here. So this is just a snack, pre-dinner snack. Okay guys, finished that meal and now the Uber Eats just arrived. Here we have some rice. We got some yellow curry, some sweet and sour, some spring rolls, and then we're gonna have some salad on the side. Anyways, we're now just gonna enjoy our family dinner. And then that's pretty much, I think we'll end the vlog right here because the rest of the day is just gonna be super chill and we're gonna have a cozy family time.
Okay, go to bed early as usual.
Yeah. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed tagging along with us here in Portugal. And yeah, thank you so much and we'll see you very soon. Peace out.